Hello guys, welcome to Surveying and Drafting channel. This is AutoCAD for Beginners lesson number 7. We are going to talk about 4 commands: tjust, tcount, torient and tcase. Here are the commands and their shortcut keys. Tjust shortcut key is tj, for tcount it's tc, torient shortcut key is tori and tcase it's tca. So let's see what is the tjust. Tjust is used to change the justification of your text. As you see, there are 3 different texts. If I select the first one, it's showing the justification is top left. I select the second one, it's showing me justification is top right. I select the third one, showing me justification is bottom left. So I want to change all of them. Simply hit the shortcut key TJ, hit enter. There's a message for you. Select object, select your object, hit enter. There are your options. Whatever option you want to take, you can take. I'm going to take the middle center. Just click on the MC, and after a second, just if you select your text, here you see the justification grip is middle center. Here it come also the middle center. So by using the TJ, you can use the justification of your text, whatever justification you need. Second command we are going to read is tcount. Tcount is used to convert your numbers or text numbers in a sequence, in a serial. As you see, there are some number written in the x-axis, there are some number written in the y-axis. These all are the same number. I want to change them in a series. Very simple. Just give the shortcut key TC, hit enter, select object. Once you select the object, hit enter again, and here you have some option. Sort selected object by x-axis, y, or select order. If you see the object, your object are in the x-axis, so we are going to take the x option. Once we click the x option, it will asking us specify starting number and increment points. Starting number, that from which number you want to start. You want to start from 1, 10, 20, whatever number you want you can. By default it's 1, 1. I'm going to take 1. So is the increment. I'm accepting the 1. Just hit enter. Now there are some options: override, prefix, suffix, find and replace. That you want to use your existing text and want to convert it to the new text, or you want to have some prefix, or you want to have some suffix. No, we are going to take the override because we want to change these numbers. Simply hit override, and here you see all the numbers are changed in a sequence. Same thing is for the y-axis. Just hit shortcut key TC, hit enter, select object, hit enter. This time we are going to take the y direction. Click on y. Same, this time I will change the increment and I will change the starting number. I'm going to give the starting number 10 and I'm going to give increment 2. See, once I hit, there's a shortcut menu. I'm going to take the override. Just click. Here you see, we gave starting number 10 and we gave increment 2. Increment mean your first number plus your increment. So 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16, and so on. This was that if the text is in x or y axis. Here you see I have a figure. This figure have the numbers. I want to change all them also in a sequence. Simply give shortcut key TC, hit enter, select object. Now there are 2 options. If you don't care about the sequence order, that you need, don't mind for you that it's a clockwise or anti-clockwise, just select them one time. But if you need them in a order that you need a clockwise, then you have to select them one by one. See, hit TC, enter. I'm going to select one by one. I need them to increase by clockwise, so just enter. Once you select all your object, hit enter. Now you will not go to X or Y, you will go to select order. Just hit the select order. Same thing, increment. This time I'm going to choose 1, 1. That starting number will be 1 and increment will be 1. Hit enter. Same, I want to override the existing, over, and here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this was the tcount. The next what we are going to read is torient. Torient is used to align the object with the reference of another object. As you see, there are three texts on my window screen. All three are in the different direction. I want to align all these texts according to this line. Very simple. Give the shortcut key for Torient command, Tori, hit enter. There is a message. Select object. Select your object, hit enter. Now you have that new absolute rotation. I want to rotate according to this line, parallel to this one. First point, second point. Once you click the second point, see all three texts are rotated with the alignment of this line, parallel to my line. So by this way, whatever text you have, you can make them whatever reference you have. Last command is tcase. Here you see the texts. This is in the capital uppercase and these are the lowercase. I want to make all these three in lower uppercase. I will just hit the shortcut key TCA. Hit enter. Select object. Hit enter. Here are your options. That's what you need. A sentence case. It means all your will be the first letter will be the capital, all other will be smaller. You want to convert them to lowercase, uppercase, title or toggle. Toggle mean if you have them the uppercase, it will go to lowercase. If you have lower, it will come back to upper. I'm going to convert them all them to upper. So I will select uppercase, check there, hit OK. See all my text converted to uppercase. One more option, just shortcut key TCA, hit enter, select object, hit enter. Now I want to convert them in the title, that I need the first letter of every word capital, then I need the lowercase. Title, check the title, hit OK. See, it's converted to title. First word of my first letter of the every word is capital, then they are in the lowercase. There are different options. You can try all of them. So I will go all of them to lowercase. Just I check the lowercase, hit OK. See, all go back to lowercase. This was the tcase. You can use according to your requirement. And by this is end of the lesson. If you like the video, hit subscribe, share the channel, like the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care.